Hello everyone and welcome to Learn German for Beginners with Vardhan. In this lesson, we are going to learn various articles in the German language. Lektion 19 Artikel im Nominativ. Once again, Lektion 19 Artikel im Nominativ. That means Lesson 19 Articles in Nominative case. Let's go through our learning objectives of this lesson. First of all, we will understand what is nominative. It's also important to discuss what is a nomen, that means noun, after which we will be discussing the various types of articles. And at the last of this lesson, we will be doing the definite articles. So let's begin. Nominative. Once again, nominative. That means nominative case. Well, the most important thing to understand in a sentence is nominative. Here is an example. Die Frau wohnt in Deutschland. Once again, die Frau wohnt in Deutschland. That means the woman lives in Germany. Let's look at the subject in this sentence. Die Frau or the woman. Here the subject is the nominative case. As we have already discussed in the previous chapters, the subject conjugates the verb. In this case, won't. A sentence or Satz is made up of Subjekt, that means subject, and Verb, that means verb. The subject is always nominative and the verb depends on this subject. The subject can either be a nomen, that means noun, or a pronomen, that means pronoun, which can either be singular or plural. In lesson 15, we have already done pronomen. Now we will learn about nomen, that is also called substantive, that means noun. The noun can either be a person, that means person, or a Sache, that means thing. These nouns are also classified as singular or plural. Another thing to remember is that in German, all nouns have an article, and article steht vor dem Substantiv. Once again, article steht vor dem Substantiv. That means article is placed before the noun. Do also remember that in German, all the nouns begin with a capital letter. Let's look at examples for Person und Sache. Wer ist das? Once again, wer ist das? That means, who is this? Das ist John. That means, this is John. In the case of a person, the question is formulated with wer or who. You can see the answer. It's with John. Let's look at an example for thing or Sache. Was ist das? Once again, was ist das? That means, what is this? Das ist ein Apfel. That means, this is an apple. Whenever we are talking about a thing, our question will be with was. Basically, the question where and was help you in identifying the nominative case. So, every noun in German has an article. Der Artikel. Once again, der Artikel. That means article. In German, there are 3 types of articles. Definier or bestimmte Artikel. Once again, Definier or bestimmte Artikel. That means definite articles. The indefinite or unbestimmte Articles. Once again, indefinite or unbestimmte Artikel. That means indefinite article. And the last type of articles is Negationsartikel. Once again, Negationsartikel. That means negative article. In this lesson, we will be doing bestimmte Artikel im Nominativ. Once again, bestimmte Artikel im Nominativ. That means definite articles in nominative case. So let's look at some sentences. Der Elefant ist groß. Once again, der Elefant ist groß. That means the elephant is big. In this sentence, elephant is nominative subject and a nomen. And if you look at this carefully, it has an article. The article here is der. Similarly, the next example, der Papagei ist grün. Once again, der Papagei ist grün. That means the parrot is green. Here, Papagei is my nominative subject, which is a noun, and the article here is der. The article there is masculine. Let's come to the next article. Die Frau isst. Once again, die Frau isst. That means the woman is eating. Here, my article is die. Die is used for feminine. The next example, die Ziege ist glücklich. Once again, die Ziege ist glücklich. That means the goat is happy. The next article is das. Das Fahrrad ist langsam. Once again, das Fahrrad ist langsam. That means the bicycle is slow. Here you can notice Fahrrad is the nominative subject and the nomen, and the article is das. Das is the article for neutral. Similarly, the next sentence. Das Auto ist alt. Once again, das Auto ist alt. That means the car is old. The nomen is Auto and the article is das. So there are 3 types of articles. Der, die, das. Let's look at the article for plural. Die Männer sind reich. Once again, die Männer sind reich. Here, Männer is the plural subject in nominative. And the article for plural is die. Die Babys sind süß. Once again, die Babys sind süß. That means the babies are cute. As you can see, The article is similar for both feminine and plural. Die. So these were the articles in the German language. Danke. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe our channel if you still haven't. Cheers. Auf Wiedersehen.